Here we have another Sewpro unique machine for top stitching with a really heavy thread. That it's not a standard thread. This is what we call braided thread. That's what it takes for this kind of machine. And look how nice and bold it looks on the leather. It's like equivalent to like 400 size thread. And this is what we sewed, and I'm gonna show you, demonstrate how the machine works. It takes shuttle hooks on both sides. It's 2-needle machine, set up with 3/8. It can be also, it can come in size 1/2 inch. And it's model 204 PB-2. Mainly used for leather furniture, for top stitching. We have it set up with a needle positioning motor, center guide, we have air reverse set up, and this is the top stitching. Very nice type of stitching with really heavy looking thread.